it's the kids' summer holiday, so we're going on a day trip today on the old trains from Leicester to Loughborough. Meet the teddy bears of the old Leicester station.
It's a master clock. It controls all the clocks in the station, on the platform and outside. And it was originally made in Leicester. So.
When was it made?
Back in the 60s, I think. I'm not quite sure, but back in the 60s.
He came to me in 1950, and we took him to the Bear Museum in Stratford-on-Avon. They said he was a model dating back from 1953, so we thought he must have been a pre-production prototype or something. But then we took him to the Bear Museum in Dorchester, and they said, having looked him up in a different book, that he's actually a model dating back to 1935. So we think he might be quite a bit older than we thought he was.
Here were cubs when we sent them to stay with Uncle Peter while the war weekend was on.
This has got the Daleks and all sorts.
Oh yes.
Like snooker, beer.
Yeah. And
They're allowed to drink.
well, he's old enough to drink.
He's old enough.
It said that photograph was taken when they were in bed. And after a day with those cubs, bonding is...
Yeah, we probably need something. I would have thought something like
I'll say,
whiskey.
if he's 80 something, then he's certainly allowed to drink.
It's like being on the Hogwarts Express.
I love it.
Well, these are just like the carriages when I was a child. Maybe about 3 or 4. I remember sitting in these with my mum, travelling. And the diesel locomotive was just like it used to be. It was like really quite sort of, nostalgic, I think.
My partner Adrian thought it would be a great idea for Dominic, his son, to organize a day out for all of us this summer holiday. Dominic is going to turn 15 this year, and he's quite passionate about history and railways. So he was going to tell us actually in this vlog about the history of this railway and why it is special as an activity to do. So what makes it special, Dominic?
So what makes it special is this is the only preserved railway in Britain to have a double track. So it's like a real main line history.
What's the history of this?
The line was opened in 1899, which is very late for a main line in Britain. It was actually the last main line railway built in the age of steam trains. So that meant it had very high construction standards. So it had very high top speeds. It could go very fast. However, because it was built so late, it duplicated the route of the Midland Main Line, which meant that it was eventually closed, as it was just like a duplicate. Although some people think that's quite a bad idea because it was generally considered a better route than the Midland Main Line.
And on this route actually we have one steam engine and one diesel engine. We've got a diesel engine now, haven't we?
Yes. Although unfortunately the steam engines are out of service today because it's because of the hot weather, air can slowly set fires.
Okay, yeah. But never mind, it's going to be a fun trip. And the first station, after the one we left in Leicester.
luckily, because it's a cooler day today, the steam engine is out. So this train behind me has got the steam engine, which you will see in a bit of a footage we've done. You could hear that there's a lot of wind out and about, I'm sure, in what we've done so far. We are now in Loughborough, other end of the line. We're going to do a lot more filming around here and show you what this place is all about. This is the biggest station on the whole itinerary for today. This one is going back to Leicester. We have even got a small rail museum here. With all sorts of signs and engine models, train models, and some fine silverware and some more beautiful cutlery used on dining cars, hotels and refreshment rooms. Yet another type of train here at Loughborough, which makes this place quite different. We're about to go back now to Leicester, and I would say for this station an hour and a half is okay, but might be a bit tight. So if you have more time, you can stick around and visit the museum and the shops here as well and have a very relaxed meal. Adrian told me that this type of a train that we just got off of was the usual one on the line to Shrewsbury, on which he used to travel when he was about 7 and 8, only that those ones were blue. We read on the information panels on the actual train that they were made in the 50s, but they were taken out of service only in 2003, which makes it over 40 years of service.